True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. My location is in St. Elizabeth. I'm in the parish of St. Elizabeth. I'm on the Crane Road area, heading towards Parati. So I go on my people. A lot of dung power lines in this area. So the people them who normally go to Lashings, Claggies on the beach, Lola's, Sand Beach. This is what the area look like in the Crane Road area. A lot of water. So leave in the comment section where you're watching from. If you're new to the channel, kindly subscribe and tell me where you're watching from. Maybe next time you can get a shout out in the video. Yeah, this is your tour guide Fire Reid. Give you some positive things. We are going to Jamaica, know the area. Because many times a lot of people want to travel to Jamaica to different areas. But them don't know how the area set up. I'm going to take the time out for sure now I go on the day after. I think it's Beryl. Passes Jamaica, leaving St. Elizabeth with a lot of damage. On your right, you have the Lola's on the beach. Yeah, man, Lola's on the beach. Yeah, so far, see where, like, you get a little bit of damage. Not even a little bit of damage, but I see where buildings have been leaned to other sides. So, hopefully, up and running back soon. Very nice place. Very nice place. You can come and hang out. Airbnb, get a walk at the beach. Very nice place with people. Very nice place. Showing where I go on. Yeah, man, see a open lot beside it. Every mango blow off a tree. Next to it, I have the Claggies on the beach. Claggies on the beach. Get a steam fish there, same way. Also, on I think it's Friday or Thursday night, they have karaoke and stuff. Well, I see where you have some trees kind of blow down and stuff. As you not gonna really get a full view of the area, but me giving an update how I go on. You understand me know? Otherwise, in the comments when I hear say you need to show the place, but you see this I go on a Claggies. See what I go on a Claggies on the beach. Beach, the place tear down, the tree down and stuff, so can't get for tour and go enjoy yourself at Black River again. So Claggies get little damage with the tree. I can't see behind the tree and stuff, but I'm giving her a little sneak peek and showing you what I go on. You know, say it's gonna take a lot. Up and running again. Don't know how long things gonna take. Hopefully soon. Yeah, man. So see what I go on Crane with road on my paper. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. rest stop Las Vegas Cafe, 0.5 kilometer. Like up the video, man. Like up the video free of cost. Like it up, like it up. Remember to like up the video free of cost. Yeah, man. Every make to make a muckle. Go through Markex done. You know, say storm blow and hurricane come, and you know sometimes road block. There are a lot of people speeding for a reason. I don't know why they must speed. You don't know if the road block ahead of you. And people them still at speed. All them people there, man. Just passing Las Vegas on the right. So the sewer go up on crane with my paper. Taking my little time, showing what I go on. I'm heading towards the Port of Call Hotel on Crane Road. Big up yourself, Benji. Said a lot of dung power lines right here. Mango tree falling on the power line right here. JPS have a lot of work to do. Look on your left side where you see the power wires down. So you know Jamaica now go have no electricity if you know. Wow. So thank you all for watching the channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. My location is in the Parati area. Yeah man, St. Elizabeth. Yes, I'm going to take a tour of the Parati area. After Hurricane Beryl passes, Jamaica, leave a lot of Jamaica people mourning, a lot of property get damaged. Yeah, man. So yes, with people, them places when rain falls so many times have a lot of water in the area. So let's see what's taking place. If you have a lot of down power lines, trees, yeah. But them say no parish too nice like St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, big up yourself man, me I talk to you. Yeah man, who watch your smart on your smartphone and your big screen TV. Yeah man, me I talk to you. Yeah man, yes man, you me I talk to. Like up the video free of cost man. Don't take a much just to press the like button. Boop. And so the video can get to circulate to a lot of people on the platform. Yeah, that me I talk about. Yeah. See here you have down power lines in this area. Also, see the light pole them set inside where light pole tear off a top. Wow. Don't know when. We don't know when this place gonna come back to light. Still have to give thanks for life. Same way no matter what the situation is. Still have to give thanks and praise. Things could have worse. Look down here so. Look like the road block. Yeah, what heap of things are going. So you know it's not gonna be a long video. Don't think I can cross those light posts right there. So you can see the Parity main road is blocked. When you realize a lot of people can't drive come in. A lot of people have to take a different route if you be able to go to Black River. That's why I say, no Jamaica with Fire Reid. Your #1 tour guide. Yeah man, so it's not gonna be a long video. The road is blocked. Can't get to go into Parity. So thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Yeah man, see there? 1, 2, 3, 4 light pole ahead of us. So we're gonna turn back and go back on the main. Yeah, man, go back on the main. So I go on a party with people. Light pole down, mango tree down. Hey, don't know what I go on, you know. Jamaican people them. We are face it if we can help out a family member or friend overseas, if we can help them out. Please and thanks, look out for your family and your friends. Please. Jamaica is going under a lot of Jamaica people are going a lot of stress and pain, you know. Look for water, my people. Look for water. Look for fence stay down. You see what I want? Look and see what I want. Wow. It not pretty. It not pretty at the moment. Take you back on the main road. So if you may be driving to Party side and coming out from Party, maybe you have to take the road to go to what I'm calling the place the name again, Pond Side area. Yeah man, maybe that road you have to take if you go up on the main road, if you go to Black River, Santa Cruz, Mountain Side, or even into the Junction area. Yeah. You have a lot of people who don't blame it on the government, you know. We need to come together, clean up the place, clean up the road, and get back Jamaica together. Yeah man, nobody will say boy government this, government that. We have to come together and clean up the place. Cut up a tree them, clean up the road them, because in case of an emergency and also our family member need to reach to the hospital, we all want to know so the road them clear. Hope you understand what I say. So I don't want nobody to say boy government fi come this and government can't do everything right now. So please me ask you now, in the community, you just can go out there, cut up a tree, clean up the road, come together. So we have some accessibility to reach to our nearest hometown hospital. If you don't understand what I say. In times like this, we have to come together, man, and do what we have to do. Can't say we depend on Prime Minister to do this and Prime Minister to do that. Chair, if you know, say Prime Minister secure fee in place first. So the Prime Minister not really work off a JPS. Prime Minister have him solar system in the place. Yeah man, so we don't have to know where you're going. Prime Minister have him backup system, so you have to look out for yourself. Hope you understand, you know. Yeah man. Parity. See, I'm coming back out of Parity. Yeah. See where I'm at? Parity Road Block. Yeah. So see the sign here? Who see that sign here? See the sign there? Parity. If you make a left turn, take it to Black River. Right turn, take it to Mountain Side, Southfield and Malvern. You see what I talk about? Yeah man, so we have an understanding how the thing set up, you know? So the thing set, man. So the thing set. So I come back up on the main road now. Yeah. The main road. You see it says straight ahead. If you make the right turn, we'll take you back to Mountain Side, Southfield, Treasure Beach. Yeah man, I mean, Treasure Beach area get a beating, Southfield area, Worcester get a beating. So a lot of places get a beating, me people. Me people. Yeah man. So see what I go on there, man. Think I play this. Yeah, man.